Hi, my name's Randy. I'm doing YouTube videos to help drivers. Please like and subscribe. This video, I'm going to talk about a low coolant level sending unit fault. And as you can see, this tank, you can easily see the fluid level is up where it should be, fill and minimum. On older units, you may not see as clearly inside this. I would always recommend pulling the cap off and actually looking down in there, make sure that the coolant level is where it should be. After you've done that and you can see that the coolant level is up high, then what you can do is look at this sensor right here at the bottom. This is your level sending unit attached to this plug right here. And what we do to alleviate the problem of the truck shutting down because of a low coolant level, when the coolant level really is up to the top, is we unplug this sensor, and I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a little red tab right on the side of it here. We'll pull it out. It's kind of hard. You should hold on to the sensor at the same time and pull it out. It should come out about 1/4 of an inch, okay? And then right underneath there's a tab right here that you can push in on, and then the whole unit will slide off. There you go, the whole plug. And what that does is isolate this sensor. You will throw a fault code, but it won't shut you down anymore. So this method is only to be used in a temporary situation where you can go to a shop later on and get it repaired. If you ignore and just pull a sensor like this and ignore the check light, and you actually do lose your coolant, then you could ruin your engine and probably void your warranty. So don't leave that unattached without double checking the water all the time, and make sure you get it taken care of really quickly, okay? Make sure you put this plug up out of the way. I did it just like that to keep it from going down into the fan blades below or somewhere. So that's a quick fix to get you running until you can get into a repair facility.